Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about electricity. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy resulting from the movement or flow of electrons through a conductive material. It is a fundamental force of nature that powers many aspects of modern life. The concept of electricity has been known for centuries, but its systematic study and practical applications emerged in the 18th and 19th centuries. Here's a breakdown of the key points about electricity. We have here electrons. At the atomic level, all matter is composed of atoms, which consist of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus of an atom. Number 2. Electric charge. Electrons can be transferred from one atom to another, creating an imbalance of electric charge. When an atom gains or loses electrons, it becomes negatively or positively charged respectively. Number 3, we have here electric fields. Electric charges create electric fields around them. These fields can exert forces on other charged particles, either attracting opposite charges or repelling like charges. Number 4, electric current. When there is a flow of electrons through a material, we have an electric current. This flow can be linked to the movement of water in a pipe. The unit of measurement for electric current is ampere, which represent by letter A. Number 5, conductors and insulators. Some materials allow electrons to move freely, and these are called conductors. Common conductors include materials like copper and aluminum. On the other hand, insulators are materials that resist the flow of electrons, such as rubber or plastic. Number 6, voltage. Voltage, also known as electric potential difference, is the driving force that pushes electrons through a conductor. It is measured in volts that represent with letter V. Number 7, circuits. An electric circuit is a closed path through which electric current flows. It typically consists of a power source, example, a battery or generator, conductive wires and loads, light bulbs and motors that uses electrical energy. Number 8, AC and DC. Electric current can be of two types, alternating current and direct current. In alternating current or AC, the flow of electrons periodically changes direction, commonly used in household power outlets. In DC or direct current, electrons flow in one direction, commonly used in batteries. Electricity plays a crucial role in various applications such as powering homes, industries, electronic devices, transportation, and more. It has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate, making it one of the most essential discoveries in human history. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report and presentation, what is electricity. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.